Hey guys, hello, this is Mr. Phil, and for today's video podcast, we will be discussing about precision and accuracy. So if you're interested, stay put and watch this. So what is accuracy and what is precision? These are the two ways on how scientists think about error. Accuracy actually refers to how close the measurement is to the true or accepted value of the thing that you are measuring, whereas precision refers to how close your measurements are or the difference that you have in measurements of the same item that you're measuring to each other. So precision and accuracy are independent of one another. You may have a measurement that is accurate but not precise, or something that is precise but is not accurate. Okay, and one thing of how we can explain this is by using this dart board that we have. All right, so here we have 4 different types of measurement that we have. We have here the first one. So we look at this center part as the target or the true value that we have. Now, we can say that this one is close. The measurement of this person is close to the actual value. However, the person who is measuring it, however, are not having close measurements to one another. So it's kind of like a little far apart, however, still near or still close to the actual thing that you're measuring. So what we can say about this one is that this is accurate but not precise. And how can this happen? There are 2 things in precision. It is repeatability and reproducibility. Repeatability meaning it's the same person measuring the same thing with the same device. Okay, and then reproducibility or reproducibility is different persons like me and another person are going to measure this with the same device, and then we can have sorry for that, and we can have different measurements. So in this one, probably it could be repeatability problem or reproducibility problem. So that could be one. The next one, we'll have the one below. So this is the actual measurement, and everything is all over the place. Okay, you have a not accurate and not a precise measurement. It's nothing near close to the target area that we want to measure. What could be the possible problems here? One, your device might be broken. Okay, so it's not accurate. It's not also, so therefore it will not be accurate and will not be precise as well because it's broken. Another possible problem here is that your device is actually not accurate. Okay, what is with that? Accuracy is like the smallest measurement that you can have. Like for example, I have a tape measure with me. Like, okay, let's have like a ruler. Okay, a ruler could have as small as a millimeter, okay, or a centimeter. Okay, but if you are using a yardstick, okay, it's just a yard that you have. It doesn't have sub-measurements. So its accuracy will only be up to a yard, and anything lower than a yard, you are not sure of it anymore. It's no longer accurate lower than a yard. Okay? It's like, think of this. This is like 1 unit. It doesn't have sub-measurements. Well, this one has sub-measurements. The accuracy of this will only be this length. Okay, the thing that we can measure. Whereas on my fingers here, I have sub-measurements, okay, which I could still measure. So this is more accurate compared to this one because this has smaller measurements. Okay, next we go down here, down right, we have here precise but not accurate. The person who's measuring it, be it different person or whatever, they're doing the right thing. So they're measuring the actual thing and they're reproducing and they're repeating and they're getting the same results, and it's close to one another. So their measurement is actually precise, okay? But it's not accurate. What could be the problem with this one? Well, accuracy thing. What type of measuring device are you using? Is it really that accurate? For example, you are using a weighing scale that is manual, and the weight that you have will only be a kilogram. And of course, for example, it weighs 500 grams, then your kilogram wouldn't be able to measure that half the weight of the lowest measurement that you have. And in science, what is the best one that we have? Of course, it will be something precise and accurate, okay? We have high precision, meaning whenever you measure a certain something, they will all be close to one another. And of course, what we really want is for it to be accurate. All right, so everything here is near one another. All right, so just to recap everything that we had, accuracy is the closeness to the actual value, and it will usually be dependent on how accurate the device you're using. And then we have precision, which is the closeness of your measurements from one another. All right, so that has been our lesson for today. See you on the next podcast. Bye.